them black spot, yeah? One year.
Yeah.
3 of them, you know?
What
3
happened?
black spots, right? One fire burn them out.
What?
Roast them out, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
How long ago was that?
In a July to August, man.
How'd you do that one?
Then take off the pot.
Oh,
Off of the fire.
shit.
I did a band the slippers and I take off the slippers. And this go down in the fucking rubber boot and touch either way, the man.
It fell into the boot?
To blood
Oh,
clot,
dude, that sucks.
man.
Oh.
All of this to burn off, the whole of them places everywhere you see black.
Wow, you've
Burn
healed.
off. To blood clot, man.
Well, you've healed up pretty quickly though. That would.
Never heal.
No.
All when the Rasta painter woman come here.
Wow.
It's still under, me still have the cut them on.
Nice.
When the painter lady come here, me have them wound there, you know, brother.
Oh yeah, Cheryl, the painter from
Yeah,
USA,
man.
wicked artist who came to stay here.
Yeah, man. Me have them wound there, you know, father.
Crazy.
I may go to hospital, read them days there with it, me go back, but then give me one dressing, and me find say that one there, it a dress it a well too fast. Yes, it a heal too fast, I mean I like that. I may go back one that man again, and then give me something, you know, the cream,
Yep.
a cream where you rub it now, you know. And the one there I push it too hard. You know, like how it looks, I may go there back one morning and the nurse them fuck it up. See, one year, you know, the other one here roast out that part. You see it flat, I stone, you know, you see it flat on the spot.
Yeah.
One, a 3 spot.
Oh,
Did they burn out, man? My skin just come back to normal. It's white, ugly.
Did you put the aloe on it too?
No, sir.
No?
It's all kind of sitting.
Because I got a few mad ants bite me last night when I was trying to use my phone out in the dark there. I was fucking standing in a mad ant nest like a dummy, but I put the aloe on it and I can't even see the scar. Like normally they blow up pretty good, but I washed it off real quick and then I got the aloe vera and it doesn't even hurt today. It's crazy. And because if you leave it, they blister up right away, you know?
Fuck you up, you know?
Yeah. The aloe vera, I couldn't believe how good it worked.
Good man, because when you rub up your whole foot, no insect now go up on it, because it's bitter.
So you use it as to avoid insects too? I didn't know that.
Yeah man, yeah man. When you get them, use it and rub them whole of them foot. It's a bitter thing, you know. But nothing won't go up on your foot when you rub the aloe vera.
Dude, I'm gonna try that next time because I always use it not as a preventative thing, but as after I got messed up. So prevention's always smarter than
cure.
Exactly.
I bet you got your face in the sun.
Put that juice, this wheat porridge, you hear that?
Nature's energy food. Cane sugar.
Yes, sir.
Golden energy guy on the logo like he's running. Interesting.
People show I want money and Duppy, you know.
Money and Duppy?
The wickedest thing in Jamaica, no father. A man kill up your money and turn Duppy. Money and Duppy, man, are the 2 wickedest thing in Jamaica, father. Man kill you. Yeah, dear. Duppy, turn Duppy. Blood clot, man turn ghost, sire. Bad mind, blood sucker, chemical there.
Oh, nutmeg.
Yeah, man.
That looks like a nice fresh one too.
Yeah, man. The drinks me I do, you know, and people don't like it, you know. Jamaican black people don't like it, you know.
Yeah.
I not steal anything, man. And then don't like this Mokko talk all kind of fkery. But you can't stop me. Oh, God bless, no man curse.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I wanna judge our children, you know? Yes, I am.
I feel like that's from a Sugar Minute song. Shano, how you doing? Cersei? Big Head's granddaughter. Well, we miss Big Head, but it's cool to have a
Big
grand picnic. Yeah.
I hear bread. Some bread there.
What's in this one again, Mokko?
Oh,
Is this the
one.
rosewater or?
Yes, right. It is rosewater, eh? Make it nicey. See, it's nicey up there. You sent it?
Yeah, I can sense it already. Strong stuff.
That's what we're talking about.
I've never cooked with that before. We do the vanilla and porridge at home quite a bit, but got some sugar in there. Solid amount.
Me know. Me know like when it's sweet, brother.
You don't like when it's sweet?
No.
So just a small mountain.
Yes, sir.
A foothill.
Wheat. Yeah.
This one really thickened up.
Oh,
Good catch.
yeah,
I
man.
missed that. Mokko's got the reflex
Yeah.
of a jungle cat. Maybe a lion. Fucker.
A joke. Good man.
Okay. Fooled me. Alright. So people always are like, don't put the spoon in your mouth, but I'm holding a camera in one hand, so what can I do? Unless you want to hold the camera for me.
Oh.
Alright, Mokko's filming, and so people see I'm not eating the spoon. Fuckery. No, I'm kidding, it's good. Yeah, that's good. Not too sweet either.
No, man. I don't want this sweet.
I'm amazing though, like, I don't know, the sugar here is just nicer or something.
Get up.
Look at this thing. The righteous way. Rasta Mokko way.
Yeah, man.
That's awesome.
Rasta Mokko way, brother. A grandma give me them, man. The lady.
Yeah.
Welcome here.
Yoala.
I tell you, and he give me the incense.
Oh, nice. You guys went rafting on Rio Grande too,
Yeah,
yeah?
man.
Yeah, she had a blast.
Yeah, and give me one that one when bring from Africa too. And they're pretty. I two of them and give me the two necklace like.
Nice.
So whenever time now, when they buy me bus here now, I put it in it one pretty thing. Nobody Mokko won't molest it. Nobody won't do fuckery to it here. One pretty thing man he give me the one. So we just hang it up in there. All them car in them just straight down. Nice sweet lady man. Sweet.
Yep.
Yeah man. Hey, come out now, man. Wait. Out. Let me have something to eat. Go. When I'm all feel good and sweet of everybody. Lick mouth, lick tongue, eh, Matthew? Food, man. See? Look.
Yeah.
Look.
Non-stop.
Look there. Look what they do. Look outside.
Just waiting.
Yeah, they belly full, you tell them to go out, then gone out. They grew up just like that. No fkery, you know. It done. Keep out. Don't run around and make place. Yeah, you know, and business inside here.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
Come on, man. Move now.
Wheat porridge.
Yeah, man, wheat porridge.
Looking good. Now, do you see any stain on my shirt? Because I was trying to film you earlier and I spilled some Blue Mountain coffee.
Oh,
Is that visible?
Yeah.
It is? We'll pretend it's not.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
Chin,
Wheat porridge,
chin.
man. Yeah, man.
And I already have
Put
a
that
little
juice.
taste. Yeah.
Put my juice in there.
And you can see it's nice and thick, which is how
Oh, wow.
I like my porridges.
Man come and ask me all the time. Will you see a wheat porridge here?
That rosewater is very cool flavor. I've never tasted that before.
The vanilla will mix with it too.
Oh. I think the rosewater, they do that a lot in the Middle East, but I've never done it. Man. Next level.
Hey.
And I gotta get my breakfast now, so because
Yeah.
it's gonna be gone soon.
Get out a big lit picnic.
Respect. I think the puppies like the porridge too.